Priyanka Chopra Jonas is an actress, an icon. She has her songs too. Talking about the book Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra Jonas, this book has written naturally. This book is inspiring. She has described family love well, and she has written good wise lines in the book. Priyanka Chopra becomes Miss World. She writes that we all are in life journey. We all are travelers. Priyanka's brother Siddharth sends her photographs and information to the Miss India pageant. Her mother does the same. It is not planned. She wants to become an aeronautical engineer before. Her father, a doctor and a good singer too. Talking about her childhood, she lives in India and also in West. She writes that one can learn from different cultures. Her mother comes to meet agree with her childhood. Priyanka loves to meet her mother. She does good in academics. She makes friends. She goes to home in vacations. She becomes independent. Her mother wants her to be. Priyanka and her family celebrate all festivals and they respect all religions. She goes to school in US at the age of 13. She writes that how her entire family and includes she is very hardworking and how family support is important. One of the reasons she is in US school. She goes New York. She likes fashion and music. She also lives with her mama and mommy. She makes new friends. She participates in theatres. At the age of 14, she gets so much attention. She's pretty. She's bullied. She avoids it with courage. At that time, school has no policy about all that. She comes India. Great alone. Annie is getting late. She goes to school. Her mother says it is not her. She needs help. She needs a friend to share the things. So many things are happening in world like crimes, price hikes and nature harm. Lenny is going to new home. It is in Alaska. The family is going to Alaska. Alaska's weather is well described. Also some real facts about it. Mother says to Lenny not to wear school uniform and to wear new dress given by the dad. She does so. They go singing and talking in the car to school. She will be in new school then. They go to meet the grandmother. They all reach Alaska. Lenny captures Alaska beauty in her camera. Though she couldn't capture some beauty of the Alaska in even camera. They all go to beach. Father flies a kite there and Lenny reads a book there. They spend all day as tourists by going one place to another. Lenny and Matthew write letter to each other. This is some part of this book. But this book has not good plot or good character descriptions of the story. Daring human book. This book's characters have magic. This book is about work, world and life. Hera tries to survive while around all her the entire world is in danger.